Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to create Open AI ChatGPT trigger to perform specific actions in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature is very powerful and it makes your bot very smart. To create a ChatGPT trigger, first, you need to have connected Open AI ChatGPT integration on your account. Go to Settings. Click on the Integration tab and select Open AI ChatGPT and click on Manage on ChatGPT Triggers. Once it is opened, create your trigger. Specify what the trigger does. Specify the data to be collected. Set the flow to be triggered and also set the output message. Now, let's create a ChatGPT trigger that allows a user to book reservation and send the reservation data to Google Sheet. Let me show you how. First, let us create the flow triggered after the user's data is captured. We will send the captured data to Google Sheet. Please note that we can check the availability of the reservation and set the trigger message accordingly, but for the sake of this tutorial, we will keep everything simple. Now let us proceed to create our ChatGPT trigger. Add your business information system prompt. There you have it. You just learned how to create Open AI ChatGPT trigger to perform specific actions and capture data in your digital chatbot marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.